Okay, it is lesson 86 and practice set, and we are going to do some mental math. Remember, little brush up, we multiply the first digits and then add up the zeros and stick them on. So I know 7 times 8 is 56, and then I add 2 more zeros, so 5,600. I know that 5 times 4 is 20, and then I tack on these 2 zeros. So 40 times 50 is 2,000. In this situation, I know that 4 times 6 is 24, and I tack on 3 zeros, making sure that I I bump in this to 2 places right here. So $6 times 40 is $240. There's my little decimal point. Finally, our last one, 3 times 8 is 24, and I add 3 zeros. There you have it. Good luck on the homework.